The Isley Cooking Show. The Isley Cooking Show. The Isley Cooking Show. The Isley Cooking Show. Welcome to the Isley Cooking Show. Today my guest is Gigi.
Yay! Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I love you. Excited to be here today. And what are we going to make?
Chocolate covered matzo.
Chocolate covered matzo. Oh my gosh, I love matzo. Do you know I eat matzo almost every day? I eat it with peanut butter and jelly. I make tuna fish and put it on matzo. I eat it with just jelly, cream cheese and jelly. I just love matzo. And I know sometimes you have matzo with me. So this is very exciting. I can't wait. So I love this recipe because I love, first of all, I love matzo and I love chocolate. But when I was a little girl, my grandparents used to make this dish with me, and we would have it at Passover. And Passover is coming up, so we're perfect timing for this recipe.
Let's do it!
Let's do it!
Today, for this recipe, we need matzo. We're also gonna need regular chocolate chips, white chocolate chips, brown sugar, salt.
And we also need 2 sticks of butter.
The first step we have to do is preheat the oven to 50 degrees.
350 degrees. Yeah.
Wow, that's hot.
Yeah.
Sue-Chef, can you help me with the next step?
Okay. I think we have to put aluminum foil in the pan. Can you do that? Okay. This is so the pan doesn't get dirty. And then parchment. We're putting the parchment down because this way the matzo won't stick to the pan and the aluminum foil.
Now is the fun part, the matzo. We're going to cover the pan with as much matzo we can fit.
And you put one there and put the other one down. Yeah, perfect.
This looks so good. Now we need to measure 2 cups of regular chocolate chips. Gigi, how about just a little sack?
You mean with this?
Yeah.
You mean our favorite thing, you and me? Go ahead, just a tiny bit because we're going to be having some of this later. Mmm.
So now we need to measure up 1 cup of brown sugar.
I'll hold this.
Oops. Me too, I
See how
can't
this comes
wait.
out.
We also need white chocolate chips.
How much? I think it's 1.5 cups, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Shake and bake.
The next step is mixing the brown sugar and the butter on the stove.
No. Oh.
What do you like about butter?
Well, it's really salty. That's what I like about it.
Do you think we're ready for the brown sugar?
Yeah.
Can you pour it in? Here, like that. Ooh, you did it. So now, I can't stop mixing.
We have to stir it for 2 to 4 minutes. Gigi, what do we want this to do?
We want it to come to a full boil and then wait a few minutes.
Gigi, I can taste the chocolate in my mouth.
You know, that's
It's not even in there. I already see little bubbles. Boiling is when it starts to bubble. It's boiling.
It certainly is. Look at it. It looks so different now. Now that it's boiling, we have to stir for another 3 minutes. That's a long time. My arm's going to get tired.
Then you can do it with your other arm. Looks like chocolate, right, Mama? Is it caramel?
Doesn't it look like it?
It feels like fire. Now we have to take the mixer off the stove and pour it onto the matzo. It looks gooey. It feels like butter. Take the metal spatula and pat it around easily. Oh, that was hard.
It was hard.
Next step is putting this in the oven for 12 minutes.
Wow. I have an idea while we're waiting for the oven. Let's do a taste test between white chocolate and dark chocolate and see which one we like better. One of each. You go first. Put one in your mouth. Which one are you going to put in your mouth first? Okay, that's a good idea.
Well, it's very chocolatey.
And it's nice and sweet.
Yeah.
It sort of melts in your mouth. Okay,
Yeah.
You ready for the white?
Yeah. Ice cream.
Like ice cream? Like vanilla
Yeah.
ice cream?
Yeah.
You like the white one better?
Yeah.
Well, okay. Let's do a high five. I like the dark chocolate.
I like the white chocolate.
I'm a purist.
Different strokes for different folks.
That's true. Now it has to bake for 12 minutes on 350 degrees.
While the matzo's cooking, we're gonna put the white chocolate in the microwave for 2 minutes.
Okay, so it's not completely melted, but we get to stir it and it should melt more.
Gonna make a piping bag out of this Zippo bag. Pour the white chocolate into this white bag.
So we want to try to scrape as much as we can from the sides, okay?
I'm gonna do a little taste test. It's been 12 minutes. Let's take the matzo out of the oven.
Whoa.
It's bubbling. The next step is putting the dark chocolate chips all over the matcha. We're gonna wait a few minutes until it softens.
Mmm. Lots of matzo, lots of matzo, lots of matzo, let's go eat it up. Yay!
Let's pet it. Whoa.
Look at chocolate sea. Isn't that cool?
Why wouldn't it look good?
Put it into your mouth. So, or like this.
Now comes the fun part. Let's make a cool design with the white chocolate.
All right.
We're gonna cut a little hole on the corner, and we're gonna make a design with the piping bag. It looks so pretty.
Just squeeze, yeah.
Wow! all the chocolate from the bag, we're gonna make a design with the chopsticks.
Yes.
Yes.
Good, but not do the matzo. You can swirl, whatever.
It's kind of like edible wow.
It is.
Funny.
All done.
All done. When the chocolate is too wet, we're gonna pinkle a little of the sea salt. The last step is we need to chill the pan so the chocolate can get foamed. Welcome back. Does this look like Gigi to you? She had to go home. It's been a few hours. So should we go look in the fridge and see if our matzo's cold? Woof! It's ready. Should we cut it up and taste it? I'm gonna cut it up into 4 pieces so we can share it with our friends. Leo, this looks so yummy. Mom, you want that piece? I'll have my blueberry piece. Let's try it, Mace. What do you think, Gigi? Thanks for watching the Isley Cooking Show. Hope you like chocolate covered matzo.